My dear professional colleagues, this is Yogesh Kajle working with India's largest prefab construction entrepreneur, Mrs. BG Shirke Construction Technology Private Limited. I am pleased to know that the Construction Industry Development Council, CIDC, jointly with Indian Society for Trenchless Technology is organizing India Construction Week 2020, an online international conference and exhibition starting from 1st to 5th December. I am entrusted the responsibility to chair the sectional steering committee on pre-engineered and prefabrication construction. During this event, several parallel sessions covering important issues relating to construction are planned to be aired to create networks of individuals and bodies to meet the challenges in the post COVID world. I admire organizers' endeavor to bring all the segments of construction on one platform, giving an opportunity to showcase their potential with an aim to achieve sustainable development goals through time tested proven technologies. BJSCTPL has always practiced sustainable development through use of 3S prefab building technology and has been promoting research in these areas. Widespread use of prefab technology in construction shall result in timely delivery of quality structures at competitive price. As India reopens with cautions and precautions after the COVID-19 induced lockdowns, the revival of construction sector is looking for a vital recovery from the economic slowdown by resetting operating standards. The pandemic has emphasized need for sustainable construction with focus on health, hygiene and safety as the priority. The first COVID wave has caused immense disruption. Construction industry has been struck hard with distortion in supply chain and labor force. While other sectors could explore work from home option, the conventional construction industry couldn't achieve any physical progress, thereby getting affected more severely. Extended lockdowns and fear of infections have created tremendous uncertainty. Indian construction sector employs almost about 40 million workers. Reverse migration of workforce led to acute resource shortage to complete scheduled work. Health experts believe that COVID 19 will be with us until mid of 2021. I foresee short, medium, and long term impacts on construction industry. Short term impacts could be like initial cost hikes, increased material demand with limited transportation and extreme labor shortage. Time lost towards return of labor to a safer work environment, organizing uninterrupted supply chain and paying high prices towards resources would be medium term. Long term impact could be that industry will take further time to reset and optimize works by relooking at design and construction protocols. The coming decade will see a propagation of construction technologies with push towards mechanized construction, prefabricated and modular construction approach with standardized design, equitable contractual clauses, revised site operating procedures. It is therefore right time for us to reframe our policies so that we all are able to derive immense benefits of precast. Undoubtedly, people being the key to the restoration of any industry, a smooth transitioning into the new normal will be enabled, although industry will witness dramatic changes. I could foresee boom times after these difficult times. I am sure that we would be certainly moving forward to witness it by 2022, since we will need to address the growing need for a population that will demand housing and other infrastructure. New cities will spring up as existing cities lose some of their density to suburban and rural areas. Post COVID, the world of construction will be exciting for all those who are willing to embrace change and adapt to new advanced technology to build more efficiently than any prior generation. In the near future, we are likely to witness adaptation of integrated project delivery approach, whereby the contracts are not just between two parties, but are based on a joint contract between all key stakeholders within a project environment, sharing equally risks as well as rewards. This online conference aims to deliberate likely revival of this crucial industry. Invited eminent experts are going to cover quite interesting and significant topics during this 5-day event. I look forward to the recommendations that will emerge through the deliberations from this conference. I wish India Construction Week 2020, this conference and exhibition, a grand success towards providing ample guiding materials for revival of construction industry. Thank you.